Alright, so another ingredient in your kit is our most famous product, the My Pink Wheat Cream. This is actually what got us into bleaching originally. We just were selling simply the cream or putting the cream onto our customers. And over the years and development, eventually we came out with the whole kit and caboodle. But with the cream, this is something that you use on your back bar as well as give to the customer to take home and use on themselves in between sessions. Without this, they're not going to really see as much result because if they're putting it on every day, they're lightening their skin a little bit gradually every day. So they'll be a lot happier with the results. It also has vitamin C, so it's going to help heal their skin in between sessions too, so they won't have as much irritation. The two main peptides are the oligopeptide 68 and the nonapeptide 1. Both of those peptides are for skin lightening. So the way the chemist kind of described it to me was that the peptides are proteins, they speak to the cell. So those peptides are telling the cell to lighten up, to decrease the melanin. So they communicate with the cell in that way. There's no harm, there shouldn't be tingling, burning, nothing. It's a protein, so it's biogenic. The body takes it in, it shouldn't have any resistance to it. And then if the client is using it every day, they can use it multiple times throughout the day. I try to tell them at least use it once a day, but try to use it twice a day. And if they use it twice a day, this product should last a full month. It's about 60 applications generally. So usually if you give it to them and then they come in 1 month later, they're ready to get another cream. I do include the cream in the treatment cost, and that's optional if you want to do that or not, but just make sure you mark up the service price if you're going to give them the cream. At the same time, if they come in and I say, do you need more cream? And they're like, oh no, I keep forgetting to use it, I still have a lot left. I usually just don't charge, I just charge them the same amount, but I don't give them another cream just to sit on their shelf and collect dust. So as long as they're using it, I usually give them an extra one with their services. But again, you can upsell, and if they're doing a lot of areas like inner thigh, underarms, bikini, anal, vaginal, just everything, maybe some spots on their face, then usually you want to sell them additional creams too, so that they have enough product to get through the month. Another ingredient that stands out in this is the C1215 alkyl benzoate, and that product or ingredient in the product actually smooths the skin. So a lot of times customers are really happy with how the skin feels after using it, especially if they have kind of rough skin, whether it's on their kind of butt cheek area or their inner thigh area, where the skin can be kind of dry or coarse or kind of scratchy. Once they're using this, it just smooths out the skin and it feels really soft and smooth.